People say that working on BMWs is difficult. Not everything is. A lot of things like changing your brake pads is actually really easy. Let me demonstrate.
Brian's Mobile One.
Oh yeah! I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers for convenience, a flat screwdriver, a razor blade, and a T30 Torx driver. And you can do it manually or power. I'm going to do power for convenience. Pull out the clip, pull out the screw, pull out this other clip. Notice that it faces to the forward or the top of the bike. Take your screwdriver, put it between your old brake pads. This does render them somewhat useless after you've done this, and I wouldn't necessarily rush it. Go nice and slow, you get better results. It doesn't harm your master cylinder. That's the longest part of the whole job. Now take them out. These aren't completely worn out, as you can still see some lines in it. We're going to retain the little pad clips on the back. That's what the razor blade's for, times 2. Then we're going to take some copper anti-seize. It's a brake lubricant. For the back of the pads so they're quiet, not the front. If you lubricate the front of the pads, you don't have brakes. You have screaming. Take a little bit, put it on the back here. You can see the little copper rub. This will just ensure that they stay somewhat quiet. If you want, you can put a little on the back as well. Having a rag doesn't hurt. Okay, so I went from showing you how quick and easy it is to being real picky about it. I could have just slapped them in for shock effect. Take your time. Still doesn't take very long. There we go. I'll drop that one in. Then I'm going to take some from the rag where I wiped it off and apply it to the other one. This will go a lot better. It's like having a palette. Apply that to the brake pad. Now I'm not flying through this, but it's not taking very long either. Very nice. This is actually a police motorcycle. It was. It still gets used for some police stuff, but mostly just to haul my butt back and forth from jail. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our clip back in. You can also apply stuff to this. If you're going to do it, you can see where the rub marks are. They'll tell you where to put it. Here, 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 and then also where the pin goes. It's very easy. I take my pin, wipe that off a little bit. I already have copper where I need it. Fish up, push down, fish up, push in. Put the clip back in. The next most important thing you want to do is apply brakes. If you don't do this, then you won't have any brakes when you need them. Pump the brake once, twice, 3 times a lady. 4. Now we're getting some pressure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is all the same. You need to pump at least 3 or 4 times to get your brakes to come back into working order. Don't forget to do that. Thanks for watching. I'm Brian with Brian's Mobile One. And Brian's Mobile W-O-N. No, it's Brian's Mobile with the number 1. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to put this in a playlist in an end card so you can check out more videos on this particular bike. They apply to most of the Motorad community. Cheers.